Do you want to learn Google My Business? Well, here's 7 best Google My Business courses online, free plus paid. First course, Google My Business Complete Listing Optimization Training by Udemy. This course is for all levels. Here you will learn step by step how to optimize a live My Google Business listing. Topics covered in this course are Google My Business, the foundation, Google My Business ranking factors, citation, boost your GMB, creating local ads from within your GMB dashboard, Google algorithm updates that affect GMBs. You will learn how to optimize your Google My Business listing. You will learn to find out what the top GMB ranking factors are. You can find out what citations are and how to build them in a correct way. You will learn how to generate more reviews for your business. You will learn how to deal with fake reviews on your GMB listing. It will help you in setting up Google Ads. You will learn about the Google algorithms. This course is for all levels and anyone who is interested in learning more about Google My Business optimizations. Second course, the Google My Business Masterclass by Udemy. This course is for all levels. In this course you will come across the tricks and techniques to get more clients and sales using Google My Business. Topics covered in this course are Introduction, Mastering Google My Business, Setting up your Google My Business listing for success, Optimizing your Google My Business listing, Conversions, AdWords, Google My Business Analytics. This course will help you in learning ways to optimize your Google My Business. You can learn how to conduct an audit of your Google My Business. Under this course you can learn strategies to maximize the visibility of your Google My Business listing. You can learn how to make your listing stand. This course is for all levels and also for business owners and marketing professionals. Third course, Google My Business, everything from setup to POTS and more by Udemy. This course will train you in growing your business with Google My Business. Topics covered in this course are: what is Google My Business? How to claim your listing, optimizing your Google Business listing, how to add a booking feature to your Google Business listing, messaging with guests, adding posts on Google My Business, reviews on Google My Business, adding users. This course will help you in learning how to claim their Google Business listing. You will learn ways to rank higher in SEO search. You will learn how to show up on Google Maps. It will help you in creating a free Google website. You will learn how to stand out and increase your reach. You will learn how to handle good and bad reviews. You will learn how to get more reviews. This course is for beginners including small business owners, local businesses, and marketers. Fourth course, Google My Business, how to master powerful tools for company by Udemy. This course will help you in setting up your Google My Business profile and its additional features. Topics covered in this course are: overview of Google My Business functions, Google My Business setup, additional features of Google My Business, reviews, GMB ranking factors, statistics, and data analysis. This course will help you in learning basic functions and business value of Google My Business. You will learn algorithm of setting up Google My Business profile. You will learn how to make GMB additional features. You can learn to practice ways of working with reviews. You will learn how to use Google My tools. If you want to learn about Google Analytics, click on the I button. Fifth course, Google My Business tutorial by WsCube Tech YouTube. In this tutorial you can learn tips and tricks for business. It's a complete Google My Business tutorial in detail. Topics covered in this course are: local search, basics of Google My Business, writing attention-grabbing description, algorithm for Google My Business, Google My Business listing, types of categories in Google My Business account, ways of adding photos, adding social media links, tools and tracker, user role and access. This course will help you in learning what is local search. You can learn about Google My Business for beginners. You can learn ways of writing attention-grabbing description. You can learn how to create Google My Business account. You will learn about reviews and how to get reviews. Sixth course, Google My Business by Class Center. This basic course is for beginners, and you can also earn an achievement after the completion of this course. Topics covered in this course are: Google My Business Basic Course Optional, engage customers with Google My Business, claim your business profile on Google, get your business profile verified, optimize your business profile on Google, use tools to engage your customers, manage profiles simply in bulk, pass, and earn achievement. Google My Business Basics Assessment. You can learn to use Google My Business, You can learn how to create listings that will stand out when customers search online. You can learn about tools. You also learn how to optimize your business profile. If you want to learn about Google Ads, click on the I button. 7th course, Google My Business. Optimize your business listings by Vern. In this course you will learn how to optimize your business listings. This course prepares you for job roles like business development executive and digital marketing executive. Topics covered in this course are post and post-image creation, info, how to update products, business description, etc., insights, review and negative reviews, page creation and writing description, ranking factors and checklist. This course will help you in learning to stay updated on the latest Google trends. You will learn how to improve your business's online presence. You will learn local SEO knowledge. Links of all courses are given in the description box. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.